Go.
I chose to do the little ones because I thought it would be easier to make them vibrate when I blow on it because they have less mass, so it would take less force to do them. And I feel like mine's not working because I didn't put the plastic on tight enough, so therefore the vibration can't it gets lost on its way to travel to the sprinkles.
I chose these thick ones for the 2 bowls because I feel like it would shake more and
Be more noticeable.
Yeah, and be more noticeable. And then I tried out the tiny ones on the cup to see if those ones would work better than the other ones.
So I tried the biggest of the 3 because I assumed that their round shape would allow them to move easier on the surface. But because of the heavier mass, they weren't able to vibrate as well. This also isn't pulled very tight, and so the vibration couldn't travel very well. But over the cup, in a smaller surface area where it is pulled tighter, they were able to move fine. But I still feel like the other 2 would have worked better because they have less mass.
Yeah. I noticed that the small ones, when you pull it tighter and you blow on it, they kind of fly off. So I think to do it best, you should use those ones because they're heavy enough to stay there but light enough that
Yeah, I think these ones work the best.
they still move when you...
Why do you think they work the best?
Because they shaped more and they didn't fall off. And they're not too heavy for the 7-Up.
Do you think the shape of the container make any difference?
I think on the bigger ones, it's harder to get them to vibrate because the vibration has to travel farther to get into the center. Whereas on the cup, it can get to the center by just vibrating a little bit.
Did you notice the same thing as the bigger size and the smaller cup?
Yeah. So it would, when you blew it, it would pull towards the center. And even when it was pulled tighter, once it got to the center, it seemed like it would stop.
So do you think it's an energy that is traveling? What makes it vibrate?
I think it's the energy that you create when you blow on it, and it starts at the edge, and then it goes to travel.
What kind of energy do you think that is?
Would it be kinetic energy from when you have it, and then it moves?
That's fair. Where's that kinetic energy coming from?
When we blow.
Okay, that's fair. What do you think?
I think it comes from the energy that you have in your body so that when you blow, that energy releases.
Okay, cool.